So the next thing I'm going to teach you guys is how to use ChatGPT to generate your video content. It will also give you an idea of the video you will generate. This is how I do my video. I have a channel of up to 4,000 subscribers on car maintenance tips. And I've been using ChatGPT to generate all my contents. It's a faceless channel. You don't see my face. ChatGPT has been there for me for almost 1 year. I started that channel. I use it to generate my content. I use it to generate my title and my description. So I'm going to teach you how you are going to use ChatGPT to generate your scripts and also generate your title and description. Because most times after creating your videos, the title is something that is going to tie you down. It will make your video not to go anywhere. The algorithm will never push it because you did not optimize your title well. You did not optimize your description well, because these are the two things, the major things that makes your video to go viral. Once you have a good optimized title, the algorithm will be able to push it to the required or to the audience who needs that your video. Because it won't be nice after sitting down for hours, or some people for some days, to edit your video. At the end of the day, your video will never get any views. So you are going to learn how to use ChatGPT to optimize, first of all, to generate your content and to create your title, so that this title you are going to generate is going to be well optimized with enough keywords that will make the algorithm to push your videos to your audience. So sit back while I demonstrate to you how we are going to use ChatGPT to generate your script, to create your title, and do your well optimized description.
Okay, so let's head over to ChatGPT. So this is ChatGPT. So let me show you how I generate my content. I'll first of all come to the notepad. I already have my prompt here. This is the prompt I want. Symptoms of a bad voltage regulator. This is what I'm working on my main channel, about my car maintenance channel. So this is how I generated this script for it. So I'll copy this. I'll now put it on ChatGPT. Paste. So I'll now click on it. So it's going to give me a rundown of all I want. First of all, what is a voltage regulator in a car engine? Because that is what I asked ChatGPT to do. Separate the voltage regulator's meaning from the symptoms. You can see. So you can see what is happening here. It is now generating my content for me, even though, sorry for the slow network. So this is how I generate my content with ChatGPT. In my prompt, I made it to know that I want 100% human tone explanation. It's not going to be robotic. This is pure human tone, because whatever thing you tell ChatGPT, that is what it's going to do. So I say, give the explanation 100% human tone. So it has generated what I wanted. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me a title for this. I'll tell ChatGPT to give me 5 titles, and I'll select one. Okay, give me 5 keyword titles for the above scripts. You can see that symptoms of a bad voltage regulator in your car. What to watch for. What is a voltage regulator? Science is failing. So it has given me the 5 titles that I need. So what I'm going to do now is to tell ChatGPT to give me one that is going to rank high in SEO. Okay. You see, it has selected one for me. symptoms of a bad voltage regulator in your car. So you see how I generate my title. So you can see how I generate my keyword title from ChatGPT. So the next thing I'm going to do is to tell ChatGPT to give me the description. I will now say from the title, okay. So see what's going to happen now. So you can see that ChatGPT has generated the description for me. Is your car acting strange? Dim light, flickering gauges, or a dead battery could all point to this. So look at the keywords: voltage regulator, car engine, 8 clear symptoms, failing voltage regulator. So with this now, I'm going to put this in my YouTube description. And you can also see that it also gives me hashtags for it. So with this, I am good to go. I'm going to put this on my video and publish.
So there you have it. I believe that after watching this video, you've been able to learn something and you can confidently create your own thumbnail and generate your own video script. If you found this video helpful, just do me the favor to hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop any video on how to grow your YouTube channel, you'll be the first to get it. Thank you and have a wonderful day.